Holy shit, look at the size of these rocks. Whoa. Man, I'd love to be up there. It's so good. Fucking hell, man. Flying. Robin Hood set this place out for us. Billing. How far down can you see?
I want to keep going.
Yeah, go down, but just take it easy, innit?
Just keeps going.
Yeah, just as far as you can see, yeah?
Yeah.
Nice.
This is sick. It's like an echo. Yeah, man, this is dope.
Cheers.
Nice one.
Maybe. What's the tallest thing you've ever
Fucking hell, bruv. Oh! Oh my days. Fucking hell. Oh man. It's fucking sick. Okay, I reckon I can see down like a good 50 meters, literally, I'm not even exaggerating.
And it's just a hole in it.
Yeah, all I can see is more wall, it just goes further and further down. But I wonder if the GoPro can see any water. That's what I want to know. I'll have a look in a second. Just throw it in. I'll go down one more step. I'm not going down any further, fuck that. Woo. Madness.
Yo, what did you see?
Not much really, just a massive fucking hole. But it was sick though. Alright, awesome. Hey.
Come on.
Banging, bro.
Completed it.
Dope as fuck. Tick. Look what we've just stumbled across. This place is so epic.
Yeah.
It feels like we've gone back in time, bro.
Yeah.
Sheesh, man. That's how little a person is. Let's go get on top of this shit.
Not exceeding £5.
Section 20 of the Derwent Valley Water Act. No person shall bathe or wash any part of his person. So if you're a girl, it's fine. Or any article or thing. Or thing! Hang on. You're not allowed to put your thing in there.
Oh,
It actually says, or any article or thing, or commit any nuisance in any reservoir of the This is such a shit law. It's so vague. It's like, oh, you can't put your thing in. Oh, okay, I won't do that then. Mad though. Look at this. Hello, ducks. That's so sick, bro. That is an immense view.
Yeah.
Immense. And we've got forest to our left. Beautiful water to our right. Just trying to see the reflection of all those fir trees against the water, bro. That is epic. That's some like shit you see on a calendar or a desktop background. Mate, the fog over the forest. I love it. So calming.
No cars or anything.
No, none of the hustle of society. Woo! Oh my fucking life. This is unreal.